Well, I find somehow so few roles hard to understand, especially I saw for architect position or even data warehouse. And by following this program, I wanted to organize in my mind, let's say, or while searching the candidate, how to search them, how to discuss with the hiring manager, to get a professional view, let's say,
Mhm.
because I
Oh,
saw you are great in delivery. I'm able to understand it. I don't know. I try to read, but how you explain it's amazing. I can understand like proficient language for recruiter. I work for all the kind of position from full stack.net, DevOps, technical manager, DevOps, Java, front end Angular, front end React,
mm.
all the positions, because I used to collaborate with a recruiting agency from Romania. We have there like 30 positions every time
Mhm.
because we deliver for multinational companies. As you know, Romania is a hub for many IT companies. And
Yes.
that helps me to gain experience, to learn. Even I enter in the calls with the hiring manager to
Mhm.
understand them requirements. I can say C++, C sharp, all position. I can say since 5 years I work on all kind of position related to IT.
And that's really cool that even after 5 years in IT recruitment, you have decided to join the program, right? Because the whole IT is so wide, I guess, right?
I saw that here you have to keep learning ongoing, and that's why I am trying to keep myself up to date. As I saw, there are many frameworks which are coming up since 2018, since 2019, like Next.js or others, and before they weren't in the market, and that's why I have to keep myself updated.
Yeah, very true, very true. It just keeps changing all the time. New frameworks pop up, as you say. Exactly, exactly. And we in recruitment need to be able to adapt really quick. Okay. So say after the program now, what have you observed? Like what can you do better at work when you are looking for developers? Which part of the process do you feel better at?
I had even last week a call with a hiring manager for a C++ developer, where we are looking for algorithm background, the experience the candidate has. And I was able to understand better when I talked with him about some framework. Even he required MVP, which is a framework maybe for candidates who are having now 4 years. They need to be senior because that framework is very old, and new engineers doesn't know about it. Didn't work. And when I look about that, even I do some research, and I explain him, and I wonder why he didn't let me know before. But now, by understanding the position, I can research and explain him. I cannot deliver him junior or middle when the position is since more than 10 years back.
Oh wow, that's very cool.
Yeah.
That's very awesome. So you can now evaluate which framework is older, which one is newer, and then come to some logical
Yes.
conclusion. So that's very cool. Very cool.
Yes, because they want juniors with less money, but to know older frameworks, and that's not possible. And
Awesome.
even with algorithm, I told them that if we enter this word in the job title, no candidates will reply me, because I did research 150 candidates I approached, and none of them interested, because it scares them, the algorithm word, because it's not easy for
Yeah.
many. Yeah. And I explained him that we need to remove and to modify the job description, because I don't get results. And that's why I think this program helps me to understand better a job description, and even how to make the hiring manager to understand what they actually want.
Because at the end of the day, you are trying to help the hiring manager, right? So you sort of become
Yes.
an advisor to the manager, not just someone who goes out
Source.
there and
Yeah.
sources. Very cool, awesome. And how it ended up now? Did you
Mm.
reframe the position, and now you have better
Yes,
candidates?
I was able to make him understand because in order to deliver results, we need to set the limits, and he agree, and we are now even I get some candidates.
Mm-hmm. Nice,
Because
nice.
yes, and that's why I think your program really helps me in this way to understand better a job description and how to discuss and interact with the hiring managers in IT, especially.
Well, very cool,
Because
very cool. And you
before
also
I was feeling a bit shy to talk
Mhm.
with them, but now I'm more confident.
Now you know there is nothing to worry about, right? Like no one can know all the IT
Yes.
terms. I don't even remember. Like that's just so much of it. Also, you also joined the sourcing webinars on Thursdays, right?
Oh, I love them. Yes, because there every time I see that you are giving new hints, new type of research, which I can say that I keep that helps me to keep learning. I get like I'm in an intersection. I will try it the new way to not just to go on my new old way. And I like that you are always the emails. You are personalizing them, and that's good.
True, true.
Before
Well, and
Or I
you,
use them to have them very not personalized, and I don't get results, and now I understand why.
yeah. Well, you are one of the few people who just keep coming every week. Here and there you skip like everyone, but like you've been there for like half a year. It feels like, right? It's so cool.
I have a alarm in my calendar to do not forget. Yeah,
Nice, nice, very cool. All right, cool, wonderful. So yeah, I can only wish you good luck in recruitment. I'm so glad that the tech recruitment program helped you to understand who to look for and how to present it, also make it more appealing by removing some of the repelling words like algorithms. So that's very cool, and you can also source candidates better. So yeah, thanks for joining the program. Thanks for sharing your thoughts. Yeah,
I'm glad I can learn from the best.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. All right, we'll keep in touch. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.